Here's the bottom end of the guitar stand, and there's the top end. Watch this. See that little hole for a rivet? And it only just fits on there. It's nice and tight. It's no wobble, no fettling yet. I've just got in from talking to you. Look at how close that is. That's the stop. Hey? It's a bit difficult to do this one-handed. Let's not do it one-handed. Oh, fits very nicely. Solid on there now, that is. Put the top part in, fits exactly, there's hardly any wobble, look. Fully adjustable, as it's supposed to be. Stick your guitar on top. Everyone's happy, look. All works. Very strong.